Oh shit! Katy Perry. Fireworks.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Andrew.
My name is Young.
And today, August 13th, is National Filet Mignon Day. So where are we at today to eat some fillets?
We're at Bori, a Korean barbecue spot.
So we are going to switch it up, and we are going to check out one of the hottest, newest, coolest Korean barbecue spots in Houston. So we're right off of Long Point in K-Town. This is a really cool spot because they have the barbecue restaurant, and then they also have a little museum. And they got some private rooms. I didn't get a private room today, but it's a really cool establishment. Do you mess with the Korean barbecue on the regular?
I only been to maybe 2 or 3.
Okay.
But I don't know if I'm doing it right. You know what I mean? So
we
good.
have some buddies today, straight from the source, straight from Korea, that are going to help guide us through the process.
All right, Andrew.
Andrew? He's in here? Security.
You checking out the art?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, dog.
You feel inspired?
I feel a little inspired, dude.
This one, I need something calm.
Let me give you a calm one. I'm gonna give you something. I'm gonna give you the most calmest piece in here. You ready for it?
Tiger?
No, it's this thing right here. This is the calmest thing. Look as it sits there, still.
Because it's so perfectly round.
Yeah.
True.
It's open, you can air flowing in there. Airflow, that air circulation. No, but this one's ill. Look at individual seats right here. Look, you can sit 8 people and one little kid, or 7 adults and one little kid right there.
You gotta have small ass to sit there.
And it looked like there's a bunch of jars. Is that kimchi over there?
Oh,
Or-
not kimchi.
oh.
Kimchi is the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but actually in winter time that's it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
hot is we cannot
I see.
put it up there. That is our Korea's spicy sauce, gochujang, and bean paste, and soy sauce. Yeah.
Oh, that's what's in
We
there.
can put it in the
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's cool. That's cool.
That's cool.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
What do you think's in the small one? What sauce?
The heaviest one, probably.
The thickest?
Yeah.
I think the soys and stuff would be in the bigger ones.
Korean Ajima with that Rolex. She's not even our waitress, dude. She just saw it.
She saw that diamond hit her eye from across the room. Had to come check it out. Say what? Today, we got our Korean experts hanging out with us, eating with us today. We got DK over here, Drift King. Just kidding, we got KK. This is not DK. KK owns Tom and Tom's in Bel Air, Korean coffee shop.
Come through.
And then, of course, we got Prince of K-Town, Joe Kim, our sponsor in the house tonight. Yes. So, what we have here, we got a little panchan, a little hemu hajan. Close enough, So tell us a little bit about what we got.
We have cucumber salad. This is, I think it's dried radish.
Kimchi?
Yeah, kind of like a kimchi, but it's more it's dried, and they kind of use that, and then they kind of water it down, and they'll mix it up with spices. And you have kimchi. You got your
Onions
and jalapeno and soy sauce mix. You got some bean sprouts, some radish. This was a group salad, but ended up being KK salad. But it's all
the whole
good.
thing.
You have some pamuchi, which is a green onion scallion mix, and then you got some lettuce on the side when the meat comes out.
Oh, it might slide off. So
All right, what we got here, Joe?
Filet. You got filet right here. This is kotsar, which is kind of like a marbled. It's like the short rib, but it's gonna be just the meat portion, and then it looks like we got some dry aged ribeyes over here.
Not dry, just aged.
Or aged ribeyes.
Aged ribeyes.
With some mushrooms and some onions.
And then, is this rosemary? Yeah, I mean, I think compared to a lot of the other barbecues we've been to, like the The marbling on this one is pretty crazy. So hopefully nice and fatty.
Plating on it looks really nice though, the way they plated everything. They come cooking for you, right? Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
I like this radish.
This is good.
Wait, this is dry age? Why you order dry age?
It's not great. It's Korean barbecue. Usually there's something about that.
Ooh.
You got that smoked bibimbap, rice, vegetables, meat, egg, and then it's in a hot stone bowl.
Don't drop that, bro. Sit for a little bit, get that nice crisp on the bottom.
We usually have like 300 cover, but now we're back at like 200 every weekend now for one night.
300 just at night?
Before the store.
How many seats are there?
We have private rooms.
Oh, okay. Well, what's the new thing you guys are doing where it's
so
like...
it's like omakase, but in the Korean way.
Yeah.
We're doing that choice of meat.
But is it out here or is it in a room too? Oh, it's in a room too. This is medium rare.
Yeah, it's like 55 per person for the.
Yeah, that's good. What's the other spot?
You know what? Dry age. All the meats are dry age.
I think I saw the like their YouTube.
Is this dry age?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Give me your place. I'll give you some. For what? Try. November. Yeah.
What do you think about that bibimbap?
Vegetables taste really fresh. Mushrooms are like super crunchy.
Pocky?
Crispy rice.
Crispy rice.
Really good.
You like the bottom?
Yeah.
Hey, when it's a packed house, how many tables do you have to cook?
So like one server gets like 4 tables.
What do you
So like my section is all this right here.
Oh, so you just fucking go around this.
Yeah.
Oh, so everyone has a row.
It gets pretty hectic. It's not easy.
Medium rare plug.
So like you got
Medium rare for it? Like, oh yeah, medium rare. No, I want medium. No, I want all this.
So you're just sprinting back and forth.
yeah.
Oh, shit!
Oh, that.
Katy Perry. Fireworks.
Almost lost my eyes right there. Ah! Just gotta cut it up. We got the Pibin naengmyeon, spicy. A little bit of beef up top.
Sharp sears.
So it's a cold buckwheat noodle.
Got that
I think we pretty much hit like all the Korean barbecue spots in Houston.
Steam egg.
The keranchi. Let's go.
Corn cheese. That's Pocky's favorite.
Corn cheese?
Yeah,
For real?
100%.
Elote, man. It's like a
That Korean elote.
Can I get a bowl of rice up? Alright. My favorite.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's International Day, dog.
You're here, man.
this is a filet mignon. So can I get this rare? Medium rare? Medium? No, I'm just kidding.
What did you get? A dry aged kimchi.
So this is fermented kimchi stew.
Man, it looks thick.
Hey,
Like it? It's good.
It's like I got like what tomato flavor to it.
Yes.
Good.
Good? Yeah.
Bring it back over here.
Got that complex flavor profile.
Yo, this is really good. Filet.
So we gotta get it for National Filet Day. Pocky, get you some filet, man.
Dip it, right?
You know, a little bit.
yes, they do prime.
It's prime?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
All those
Man, so tender.
certified Angus beef.
It's like buttery.
Good?
Certified
Filet mignon?
Angus.
Is it filet mignon
Prime.
Chinese too?
Oh, it's just like melts.
Yeah. Super tender, super soft. Crazy. We're American filet any day of the week.
Hope so.
Oh yeah.
Here's the grand finale, right? Which meat do you like the best?
Everything. Yeah. It's not one here. It's
Oh shit! How do we get to the
Right?
access?
it's the marinated short rib.
Marinated short rib.
Kalbi?
Yeah.
Kalbi, kalbi.
And we also sell a lot.
What's your favorite so far?
Everything.
Everything.
I mean, everything's like so good. Like I'm not even sure like where.
It's like so many different flavors are like.
Everything's really good. The soup is really.
You like the
I really like that soup.
the kimchi jjigae?
Yeah.
Mr. Pocky's favorite is a corn soup.
This was good too. This was very good. This was good.
How they be doing it in Korea, you know, on the shows. You get that lettuce.
I should get the bigger one.
That's pretty big though.
No, this one's more flimsy.
The meat, the lettuce. Usually you like put it in, you wrap it, and then you eat it. But you go, hey, look.
Look at this magic trick. Age, bro.
Onion is not cooked.
Oh, that's
So spicy.
Oh, never mind. I'm gonna leave that there.
So spicy.
Are you frying right now?
The onion was
Tearing up. Like, he's about to he's frying right now.
I ate it because I saw the half was cooked. It was like not even half. It was like a 10.
Just on the edges.
Do y'all have your vlog already? All y'all?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Carnal taste.
Carnal taste.
Wait, is this Arnold taste?
Carnal.
Now follow Band-Aid 720. You know,
Just slide in the DMs if you want.
Damn, what's up with them girls though?
That's why I do work.
True, me too.
Y'all.
Follow me, please. Follow. She gonna damn, what's up with these girls? Huh?
Look at me.
Damn, who's the first one? Oh, this is like
Sponsored.
she's an old school import model.
Where are you on?
Instagram. My personal Instagram.
Most people have like other things like sports.
It's got nothing.
Like some girls here and there.
I thought you'd see some food and like maybe a car, some Rolexes.
Okay, I mean it's
But
pretty.
you got golf.
golf, some sports, some girls.
Can you guess the bill?
Nah, you think 300?
Oh yeah.
100.
No,
400.
300.
Oh, we're gonna drink.
Your tequila from earlier is not on this tab.
250. Pre-tax.
Damn. On what's today? Wednesday? On Wednesday?
Well, for 5 people, it's not. I mean, when you break it down to 5 people.
Yeah, that's not terrible.
Korean chef.
Korean chef.
Over a million followers.
He makes stuff. Yeah.
Just making like
He's
simple
like
Korean dishes.
from Philly, so he has like kind of like a ghetto twang to him. He's like, he's like, all right, like you're making this, like, so you put an egg in, another one, and then like that kind of stuff. Yeah. I mean, you see like the reposts, all these people are making all this stuff that
Is it
he's.
more simpler or is it kind of like more... His Korean restaurant, I think it's more like a fast, like casual dining.
But see, but that's the thing is that's like his natural, because he grew up in Philly. So like if you try to talk like that, then it's going to be like.
Just don't read the comments in, okay?
Don't read the comments.
Just make sure you don't read the comments. We're gonna off the comments, disable. And don't look at the
What's the
thumbs downs
accent?
either.
The accent? Him?
You have the accent though.
I don't have an accent.
You don't even have a Korean accent. That's pinpoint. So me and my
That's
niece
true.
too. My niece is like, I don't know what kind of. That's like a Korean Borat.
That's true. You don't have like a...
It's not that Bob accent.
Not
Yeah.
a Korean accent. I'm trying to pinpoint.
They got that Richmond accent. That Southern
My
accent.
niece didn't even know you were Korean. Like, dude, I'm sorry, huh?
I think it's been around like
Japanese.
No.
She thought he was. Oh, yeah, no, I thought
Japanese. She thought he was Japanese too. But the thing is, I think it's because you've been around like so much. It's like a Korean, like Japanese,
You got
like
some mix of
it's a mix of a lot of
influence.
things because there's a lot of influence.
It's like really
Oh my. That's
Come on, bud.
Much. Pocky, what do you think? What do you think? How was dinner for one of your few barbecue experiences in Houston?
It was really good. It was really good.
What was your favorite tonight?
I like the first beef we had.
True.
The third one. The Asian one was really good, and then the kimchi soup.
That's
was,
like all
was
the
good.
beef that we had.
That was 3 out of 4.
True.
I mean, but they're all really.
The filet mignon.
Yeah. That's what I meant.
The filet mignon
That's what. Yeah.
was definitely
All of
my
them.
favorite. Super
like
tender,
it all.
super soft, a lot of flavor. So definitely, if you're looking for that Korean barbecue fix, come through to Bori. Check it out. Really dope spot. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Take care. Man, these first 4 are like the same person. He must have did all this. I wonder if he did this one too.
You guys no face. Because of mask.
They have pretty eyes.
His eyes with the lash.
I know, because automatons it's like that all the time. Her face from here, like man,
She looked right.
and then she sat down. She was, I was like, oh.
Thanks for watching the channel, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe.
What? Spit it out.